Hello and welcome to Gunnar Weiskamp's Web Development. Today, Lesson 11, LINQ Part 2. Specifically today with LINQ we will be looking at the order by and then by keywords using LINQ. Okay, let's jump in. First of all, I'm using Visual Studio 2013. If you want to create today's app, just use what's shown here in A and B, so new project. Then a console app is being created as shown in B. Right, so let's go into Visual Studio. Okay, let's grab some code here. A little bit more code. Let's first grab one set of codes, keep things easy to understand. Okay, and then so what are we trying to do here? First of all, we've created this class. It's just got three properties: employee ID, full name, salary. And now we're creating a list object here of employee information and storing the results here in this emp variable. Obviously we're creating three employees, as you can see here, with their salaries, employee ID and their full name: Fred, Tom and Adam. Now, so here we go into our LINQ and here we're using the from keyword process. So all the information from this guy will end up in this abstract E variable, which ends up in our order by result variable. And here's the order by keyword. All this simply does is tell this information, it orders it in a certain fashion, done here with this parameter here. So we're saying order all this information by full name. Then we're selecting that information, putting this into E, which goes back along the chain. So we're ordering it by full name, pretty straightforward as you can see. So now Adam will come first when displayed, then Fred, and then Tom. And here we've got our for each loop, where we're going to loop by each object in here and print that to the screen. So let's see if that works. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So there we go, we've got Adam, Fred and Tom. So Adam's obviously coming first. It's all in alphabetical order. Cool. Right, let's grab our next example of code. Let's comment this out. You can see a namespace is missing here, the IEnumerable namespace. So to fix that, we don't right click. We can hover. Okay. It's not going to allow me to do that. Using selections, I believe that should be the one. No, still not come in. So let's go back to our example, which is the namespace we're missing. It'll be one of these. Oh, sorry, there's a big error here. And that was the error. So we have brought the correct namespace in here, which I thought was correct. Yeah, so that was correct. It was just the error here. So now that that's fixed, we still have to have this object in here as well. So I was a bit too quick with my commenting out. So what are we doing here? We're doing the same order by process, but we're using here the LINQ expression directly from the object, as you can see. And we're using what is known as a lambda expression. And the other difference is we're going to order it this time by salary instead of the full name. But for all purposes, the rest of the logic is the same. We're just using the order by here from the actual object rather than doing this from keyword process. In our second order by, we're just ordering it by descending, so you can make that the opposite of that, as you can see here, and again the salary. So the differences will be quite obvious once we put them to the screen. Let's put a bit of spacer between the two outputs. And build that. Okay, so let's shrink that so we can see everything. So now we can see it's ordered by salary. So Fred has got the least highest salary, with Adam the next least highest salary, so he comes next, and Tom has the most highest salary, so he comes first. And in our second output, we can see it's the complete opposite. The highest salary person comes first, which is Tom, which is 23 grand a bit. And then Adam is the next guy with over 19, while Fred has the least. So we've ordered this now, as you can see, by salary. So you can see already how useful LINQ can be to sort information. There are many other commands. Let us now disperse with this code and go to the thenby keyword. Okay, we are going to actually grab all of this code. So, there's slight differences here between the code. Oops, neaten that up a bit. Okay, we've got an employee object here again with about, 5 people. You can see there are duplicate names in here, so just say, as an example, there are 2 Bills in a company, and there's 2 Toms in a company, which can happen a lot. But the Toms both have different salaries, and the Bills, as you can see, have both different size salaries as well, Mary being the only individual. So what are we going to do here? We want to actually find out, we want to order this by name, but then we also want to order it by salary. And that's what this thenby key does here. And this is what's happening here. So we're first ordering it by the full name, so we'll get the 2 Bills together, but then we're also ordering them by their salary. So one of them will come first and one of them will not come first. So that'll be displayed here in our screen with this format here. We're just doing a for each on that same object. Oh, sorry. So what we're doing here is we're first going to show unsorted. So this is just the unsorted information, and then this result here, we're going to demonstrate the sorted information, so you can see the difference here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I'll move this off to the right here. So our first here, as you can see, Mary, Bill, Tom, or Mary, Bill, Tom, all the unsorted information. Now this, the LINQ process here allows us to make that a bit more manageable. We've now got all our employees listed first by name, as we can see here, and then their salary. So the lowest salary comes first and the highest salary comes first. And so we can see this Bill guy here, 6734, comes first, while this second one comes here. So the thenby allows you to put another filter on the returned information and refurther the sorting of it. Just for great examples like this, if you've got two employees with the same name, which can happen a lot in companies, you can then also sort that information by another flag, which in this case was the salary. Okay, so let's close that down. Our last bit of code that we're going to demonstrate today is this guy here. Put that back in play. So again, we've got a list of employees, as we can see here, and we have got some duplicates in this as well. All we're showing here is that you can do this then by keyword process, also using the LINQ technology upon the object, rather than using the from keyword below. I probably should have kept that last code in there so you can see the difference, and I will just do that. So let's knock this out, keep it in play. Now let's put in our new code so you can just see the difference here. So we've got this order by keyword here process going, and now we're doing the order by, now we're doing the order by, the then by descending. That's what we're demonstrating here, which is different than here. It's just going to show the opposite of the information coming through. Again, just using this Lombardo expression here. So the then by and the then by, they just do the opposite of the information. So let's run that. So you can see their salaries here, different than before. So bill, so we've got the highest amount now showing. Bill is the highest amount, and the 56 for the other bill, he's the lower amount, and the same's happening here for Tom. So for Tom, they're shown last, but again here the higher salaried Tom is shown first, as we can see here, and then we've got the 12 here for Tom. So that's the differences between the then by. You've also got the then by descending and the, it's swirling, the then by descending and the then by keyword here. So there are the two differences, and they show the differences, opposite informations. Okay, I hope this was of some use to you guys out there. Please subscribe to my channel, or feel free to visit my website there as well. Thank you.